East Florida Explorer here, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm at the Frenchman's Fields in Volusia County, Florida, about to enjoy this little nature trail here. And this trail is located in the Plantation Oaks area, where the old historic structure Frenchman's Fields is located, along Old Dixie Highway. And I've done quite a few videos in this area lately just because of the massive amount of development that's happening in this historic area of Florida. Just wanted to come and check out the nature trail. This trail has a very historic old road section that runs through it, which is the King's Road, or now would be the Old King's Road, but it ran right through this area at one time. And it's no longer here, abandoned section. We're gonna do this little nature trail, or some of it. It's pretty long back there, but we'll go for a walk, check it out. And right where I'm at, about to do the nature trail, I have showed this sign in the past of Frenchman's Fields. And I was looking for the Old King's Road sign, which I found the Frenchman's Field sign. And now, this one is about the Old King's Road. Fall of the Crowns. In 1763, British acquired Florida from Spain. They want to create the King's Road. All this, a lot of history. I've read this before in other videos, but the Old King's Road is shown on early maps of the Plantation Oak area, which I'm in, and was still clearly visible in the 1940s. Wow. And it's a small little map, very hard to determine, but it does say this is the Old King's Road that actually we're in right now, this area. And this was a 1852 land survey map. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Lots of history in this area. That's why it bothers me slightly that so much development's happening. Now I'm gonna go do the rest of the hike. Entering into the woods of the nature trail, hiking. Very nice trail through the woods here. Very peaceful. The trail takes a left here. But it almost looked like a road went to the right a long time ago. Ooh, first sign of something that doesn't belong. Hard to see this tree right here, but this is an oleander tree. And they usually bloom flowers, but that's out here in the woods, which is really strange because that doesn't grow naturally in Florida. But right through there, it almost looks like an old road. Frenchman's Field structure is right through there. So, see what the other side looks like. Hard to say with the palm trees. Could have been an old road at one time. There's lots of old roads out here and these plantation lands. Look, another one. And this is definitely an old road. You could see straight through it. Goes right to Old Dixie Highway. And then that way, yeah, you can almost see it goes through. Some sand pines have grown recently since then, changing the area. Love these woods. Coming up on another strange area. Like we're just about to cross a road. Yep, it's another old road. Wow, goes straight through. A lot of construction and development that way. And yeah, wow, it goes straight through. You could see it. Old road. I'm gonna stay on the main trail today and not explore off the main nature trail too much. Oh, big woodpecker. One of those super huge big ones. Now it feels like we're getting deeper into the woods. Really deep. And it looks like I'm coming across another road. Wow. Yeah, look at that. That one's actually really nice and flat. Or actually, yeah, it goes that way. You could see it. It's like a perfect road. But I guess actually this way was the direction where the nature trail does keep going. And here is another plant. It's actually a whole bush, this whole bush that doesn't belong here. Doesn't grow native in Florida naturally. Azaleas. So we're out in the middle of the woods now on this nature trail. Huge azalea bush. So you know, somebody had that as a decorative plant here at one time. And they lived here. So many lizards running off this trail, and they skirt through the leaves. Always makes me think it's a snake. Just little lizards everywhere. Getting a little suntan. Wow, so that old road goes that way. The nature trail takes a right this way to go even further into the wilderness. Well, shoot, GoPro overheat number 1 of the day. Oh, check it out. I made it to another old road. So many old roads here. Look at that one. Goes straight through. Man. And then right here on the trail. See if I can sneak up without bothering him. He's having some grass. Lunch is here. It's really neat out here. In some of these areas, there's a lot of sand pines. And that's all these trees. See how they grow on angles. And all of them are creaking, growing in the sand, so a lot of times they fall. That's why they're all leaning. Lots of them on the ground. Different areas out here. Oh, lizard. Boy, he sounded like a snake. Coming to another area with another old road. Must have been roads where they used to maybe get what they were growing in these fields. But yeah, this one, that's a nice road right there. And another sand pine fell across the road. And right past that road is a bunch of clear-cut land for new development. I'm gonna keep following this trail. I'm sure it's gotta be ending soon. I've been walking for quite some time. But now I'm in the sand pine forest. And the trail has narrowed up slightly. Got a little narrower. And a little more grown up. It's kind of as if people don't walk this far down the trail before they turn around. Yeah. Definitely is getting a lot smaller. Yeah, another one of these areas here. Old road. I keep saying it's an old road. You can't see that direction. There's so many trees that have fallen. But yeah, I keep calling it an old road, but it could be like a water area, like a drainage too. Because those spots, it's just like slightly like a foot or two deeper than the rest of the woods. So it could have been a way that they diverted the water out from flooding. Oh shoot. Look how tight it's getting out here. And that lizard, I keep saying it, but man, you gotta watch your feet out here where you step. Because the leaves, it's the same color as a rattlesnake. And the same color as a copperhead. These leaves. Color of a coral snake. It's the color of a lot of Florida snakes, so they blend in very well. Weird hole in the woods here. Oh, I'm getting to something. No way, are you serious? This is how the trail ends. Nature trail ends. So I guess I can say that I did the whole trail, but it's strange on the other side of the sign. Really looks like the trail keeps going. Yeah. And here's another one of those old roadways. Goes up into the new development areas. But yeah, it really looks like the trail keeps going to me. Yeah. Yeah, it's right here. I wonder why they would say the trail ended. Could definitely see it. I'm gonna walk down it just a little bit. What are they hiding? Or why did it just end? All of a sudden? It definitely keeps going. So Maybe because there was a fallen tree. I don't know. Shouldn't have ended for that though. Yeah. Oh, it does kind of end. Yep. No. Hard to really say. I can see a foot trail. Which is really weird because there is a trail. There is a trail here. So maybe this is a really old trail. Yeah, it keeps going. There's really a trail here. It could be a really old trail that they haven't like kind of opened the area up for public yet. Wow. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Well, I guess I'll end it on that note. Did the whole hiking trail here of Frenchman's Fields, Plantation Oaks, Volusia County. Just doing a little hike today through the woods, the old historic woods here. Lots of plantations in the area and a lot of rich history. So I just love walking these woods. And more videos to come. There's a lot of structures in these woods too that I'm gonna find here really soon. Put that on a video for everybody to see because nobody knows they're there. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys next time.